Hey everyone, today I'm going to be going over some of the key differences between our Lamin-x Precut light kits and our universal sheets to help you determine which product would make your installation process the easiest. Let's go. Starting off with our Precut light kits, they are great for the easier level installations such as levels 1 through 3. They come with handling tabs so you're not marring the adhesive as you handle the film. They install within the trim bezels on your vehicle and they require minimum trimming. However, our Precuts require perfect alignment and are not very forgiving when you pull up and try to reinstall it. Now moving on to our universal sheets, these are great for the more difficult level installations. You'll have zero alignment issues with these sheets. You can install the sheet without the trim bezel on, and you can create custom designs. The universal sheets are also easier to handle and more forgiving than the Precuts when you have to peel them back up and reinstall it. However, you will have to completely trim to fit the light you're installing on. Check out our website, Laminx.com, to check out all of our products and let us know